When I'm playing on the Elixir Acoustic 8020 bronze strings with POLYWEB coating, now they give us that warm, played-in tone, and because they're made by Elixir Strings, they have extended tone life as well. Now, players report to us that their tone lasts longer than any other string, coated or uncoated. What makes Elixir Strings different from other coated brands is that they coat the entire string, and that keeps gunk from getting in between the windings. And when it comes to the unwound strings, they treat those with an anti-rust technology. And what it means is that all 6 strings are protected. And for us as guitar players, that brings some pretty great benefits. The first one is consistency. When I pick up my instrument, I want to know what to expect from it. I want it to sound the same all the time. And the longer my strings last, the more I can expect that sound that I love. The second thing is comfort. If there's not rust and corrosion and gunk on my strings, they feel fresh, they feel newer, I'm less distracted and more musical. And speaking of musicality, a third benefit is reduced finger squeaks. Whether I'm on stage or in the studio, the more controlled and the more musical I sound, the more professional and seasoned my playing sounds. And really what it comes down to is this. The less money I have to invest and the less hassle I have to put into changing my strings all the time, the more time I have to just play guitar.